Really a good bike rack, solid. Just got back from Hito Head from Kentucky hauling 3 bikes. This bike rack is exactly what I was hoping it would be when I ordered it. I was a little worried due to the low price that the quality wouldn't be great, but I was pleasantly surprised. On arrival the paint was chipped in a few places, but I don't really care about that. It is heavy duty and operates exactly the way the posting describes. I only wish that it came with a locking hitch pin. For the price I can't complain. Well made, easy to assemble. Comes off easily when not in use. Great bike carrier, exactly what we needed. Have yet to actually put bikes OK, but as of now easy setup and install. It seems to be built quite sturdy and not easy to break.